Good morning. Welcome to lecture number 12, where we go with practical in TIA Portal V16 how to protect variables for read and write by OPC UA. Let's open our TIA Portal and our OPC UA client. Inside our FBE we have three variables. As I said 2 videos before, I put the allow read write data by OPC UA client by the HIME and some AP application. Now let's create more tags inside our static functions, and these new tags will be different. So we can protect the data to be not possible to write by OPC UA and couldn't be read by this OPC UA. Let's make the real data. Sometimes we have the data block with a lot of tags, and not all tags should be possible to write outside of our PLC program. So in this case we can use the option to disable option from OPC UA. If you want to make the OPC UA protection, so you can say only, for example, 1 or 2 tags is accessible by OPC UA. As you see, I put the disabled writable from HIME, OPC UA and Web API from tag 4 is not possible to write data into, and tag 5 is not accessible by HIME, OPC UA and Web API. So this tag 5 should not be listed even on browsing method in our OPC UA client. Now we need to save project, compile, and we need to download these changes into our PLC. Okay, we need to initialize because we added some static tags. So our tags is going to start values. Inside watch table we put the tag 4 and tag 5. Let's put some values into. Okay, now our tags has some values, not only 0, and we can go to OPC client. Inside this we need to go back to endpoints. We need to connect to one of our endpoint by the user and password. We have that certification. Okay, now let's go and check how we protected our tags by the OPC UA protocol. We have data block instance. In the static we have only 1, 2, 3 and 4 tag. We don't see the 5th tag. It's because we put the option it's not accessible by OPC UA. You see this column? Yes, it's not possible to read data from this. After this we can put option how to write data into tag 4. Let's check tag 3, it's old one. We can read data. Tag 4, it's 99, as you see here. And now we can try to write data into this tag by OPC UA client. After we put the new value, we have error, but not writable. So this tag is not possible to write data into. So we can see the value, we can browse for this element, but we can't write data into this tag. This tag is protected from the OPC UA overwriting. Thank you for watching, and let's go to next lecture.